Sitting up here trying to go to Plat. I ain't got a $10 order all day. We did this one, $4.50 at Steak and Shake. Ain't nothing to write home about, but it was okay. We knocked that one out. $4 Taco Bell add-on. I accepted it. Drive-thru super long. The $6 plus. We did a $4.50 for 3 miles. Then we did this one, $12.50, 5.5 miles. We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you gotta do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're starting out early today. We got us a little schedule for an hour. It's 11:30. See if we can get us 10 orders done. We need about 25 more orders so we can get that good old diamond platinum status. I call it diamond because I'm used to having the old system where, you know, they give you a diamond. Woo! We got to get 10 orders done, y'all. What's it gonna be? So looking at this, I would estimate that we probably gonna get a Chick-fil-A order. Woo! What is this? $11.75 for 11.5 miles. Ooh, they tripping. Oh yeah, they tripping big time on that one. We will not be taking that. That's gonna make our acceptance rate go down to a 70. I can't be doing that. If that was an earned by time order, maybe I would have considered it, but it ain't an earned by time order. That's crazy. Man, I should have took a screenshot of that. $11 for 11 miles. It's basically like on earned by time orders like that can get delivered in the dasher and make a profit, but on earned by offer orders like that don't make sense because they always gonna pay you $2. Now we got $12.50 for 5.5 miles, 2 pickups, 2 drop-offs. You know what? I like it to be a little bit more, but $12.50 for 5.5 is not the worst order in the world. Steak and Shake is drive-through pickup. Is not. Let's see which one they want me to pick up first. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that because that's way better than the first one. The first one was trying to pay us $11 for 11 miles. This one's giving us $12.50 for half the mileage. Now it is 2 pickups and 2 drop-offs, so there's 4 overall stops, but that's better in my opinion. Let's go get this picked up. We got a stack, so this order number 1 and order number 2. That's perfect. That's the best way to start off my shift. Get these deliveries knocked out. There you go. Appreciate it, boss. Thank you. Get that in that hot bag. We're good to go. I ain't even realize this Denny's order got a pickup. The pickup time is 12:04. That's like 12 minutes away. We got the first order, the Shake and Steak. It's in the bag, but we at Denny's now. I'm like, hold up. I didn't think there was gonna be no 30-minute stack. It might be. Let's go up in here and see what's going on. Maybe they got it done early. This place is packed though. The parking lot is absolutely full. Why these people sit here and try to park next to me and they really can't even drive for real. It's all good. Look, it's cold. We about to get this money. So we just made it to the first drop off, y'all. I knew they was busy when I went up in there. I'm talking about they got the whole staff up in there, the full team, and it still took them 20 minutes to make this order fully. I mean, the food was done when I got there, but it took them an additional 10 minutes just to make 1 strawberry shake. Absolutely ridiculous. Look, we finna drop this Steak and Shake that's been in the car with us for 20 minutes. Plus, we finna drop this off right now. Yep, confirm it. We taking the picture. Let's get it. It is starting to get warm. I'll set this right here. All right, how far away do we gotta drive? And they sent it to me as a stack, so you know I'm only gonna get $2 in base pay. So that definitely makes it even better right there. You get a whole extra, a whole minus $2 because they stack them together as now as an offer. Let me hit this Jeep. Okay, looks.
Then turn left onto Brandis.
Yeah. Looks like we only gotta go about 1.5 miles. So that's not too bad. So the person who ordered the Steak and Shake lived the furthest away. And the person who ordered the Denny's, they actually live closer. Yeah. It's funny how the customer who order reasonably and probably more than likely tip the most, they always get the shorter end of the stick. They gonna stack them with a Steak and Shake customer who tipped great so that they can get both deliveries facilitated for a $2 base pay, mind you. And that Steak and Shake probably gonna be a no tip. It's all good. Ooh, and they got some steep steps. Getting some exercise today. There we go. Let's get our picture. And we good to go. All right, $12.50, 2 stops, 5.5 miles. Let's see if it's gonna go up. And let's also see, I'm guessing that the Denny's customer tipped more. If I had to guess, $12.50 did not change. The Denny's customer tipped $5. This Steak and Shake customer tip $3. Well, at least we didn't get a no tip customer, but what? $4.50 base pay? Damn, so I was talking all that stuff and I got a $4.50 base pay? Well, I'll be damned. See, sometimes they can pick and choose when they want to pay you. That should be a $4 base pay. I'm complaining that it's gonna be a $2 base pay. It turned around, ended up being a $4.50 base pay. Now they just sent me $4.50 for 3 miles at Casey's. I'm gonna take this little $4 order, man, so I can make it order number 3. Just because they sent it to me right away and it's not that much mileage, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it, man. I'm not real happy about it. It ain't a killer order, but I know it's a pizza order. I got my pizza bag right here. So you know what, it's all good. Let's make order number 3. And at least it ain't got no crazy miles on it. So you know what, there is that. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Maybe they sent me those 2 orders on purpose because they knew I was gonna be over here closest and hopefully be there right on time when the pizzas is ready instead of sitting there waiting on them. But in my experience with Casey's, you might be sitting waiting on them pizzas. These my peoples though, they might have it ready. All right, FDA family, we just made it. I'm about to come up out this jacket because you know what, the temperature just raised like 7 degrees in this short little bit of time we've been out here. This got to come off, y'all. I can't have it no more. Make sure I ain't got nothing in these pockets I need. What is this? Ooh, some candy. Oh yeah, I definitely need that. I just hit the jackpot. Found some candy. Make sure my microphone good. There we go. All right, what's the pickup time on this one? Yup, see, it's supposed to be ready right now. Let me see if they want a picture of my pizza bag. Nope, they don't want a picture of the pizza bag. See if they got it ready. All the way at the end, huh? It's a hand to me customer, so you know I love it. But at least he coming out to grab this order, so that's good. Let me see if I got this picture ready. Yes, we do. Okay, my bag all the way up the driveway. We're gonna go up a little bit. It's just leaves. All right, boom, get that ready. Complete delivery. I always reverse things. I'm trying to be in and out, in and out. $4.50. Couldn't even see how much he tipped. Ooh, I can do earn by time. Should I do earn by time? Order. I'm just trying to get my platinum. I'm just trying to get my platinum, y'all. We're not gonna do earn by time. We're gonna do earn by offer. We're gonna keep doing what we've been doing. So how much have we made so far? Let us see. $17. We done made $17, guys, in 1 hour. Definitely not good. 3 orders, $17. 1 full hour. And we was active 57 minutes of the hour. Boy, Doordash is straight on some bullshit. $11.50 for 11.7 miles. That's the first funky ass offer they sent me. So we going down to 77. Now the same thing gonna happen that happened last time. They gonna send me a good order now. They just sent me that dumb trash offer. That's absolutely wild. How many damn items they got on this thing? Too many? That's absolutely crazy, y'all. Boy, Doordash be on some garbage. $11 for 11 miles. There we go, $6 plus. All they had to do in the damn beginning. They was gonna do that shit. Had to send me that dumb stupid offer first just to make sure my acceptance rate go down. Fucking clowns, man. I knew it. That's why I ain't do earn by time, because they would have sent me that 11-mile trip. Nigga, I would have been mad as hell. Mad as hell. They probably left a $7 tip on that 11-mile trip. Boy, Doordash be on all BS. We got $6 plus for 2 miles. Going to Hawaiian Bros, knowing good and well they could have sent me that first. Boy, I'm about to multi-app on their ass, because they got me messed up today. Look at this. They got good shops. Might just click on Walmart Spark on their raggedy ass. I'm trying to get 10 orders done. And they sending me dumb stuff. Look at all these good shops on Spark, man. It's all good shops today. What is going on? There go a $37 shopping order for 8 miles. It probably got hella items. It do got hella items, but that's still $37. Let me get this Doordash order dropped off, man, because I might not even make it to 10 orders on Doordash if I see these good old Spark orders. These raggedy rat bastards is sending me a $4 add-on. Talking about it's gold. This ain't no gold. This is $4 for an additional mile. That means this is really $4 for 3 miles. Doordash be on all B. This is not no high paying order. It's $4 for 3, damn near 4 miles. Doordash be on all BS, man. God damn, boy. This is how they trick stupid people. This is $10 for 4 miles. Ain't no damn high paying order. Doordash be freaking, boy. They dumb as hell, man. Let me pick up this damn Hawaiian Bro so I can head up to Taco Bell and get some of that Taco Smith. Boy, they be lying. $4 is not high paying. That is $4. You can't even go buy a meal. So how the fuck is that high paying? You can't even buy a meal with it. Doordash is dumb as hell. Maybe Taco Bell got their stuff together. Damn, they got the door locked. What the hell? Oh my God. What is going on? Oh, Lord Jesus. They is trying to play me for $4. Oh, hell no. Lord Jesus, we is not going out like that. This drive-thru is long too. This drive-thru is long. No way. I like that. I'm not finna be stuck in this drive-thru trying to make $10. Let's check it out together, guys. Look how long that drive-thru is. You got cars all the way up there, all the way around. Nah, bruh. I can get another order done in that same time. So we finna go ahead, unassign the Taco Bell order, and keep that shit moving. Moving. Because that order is $4. I don't even, boy. Order has long wait time. We ain't getting no worry free, unassigned, and I don't give a damn. I'm out of here. I ain't got time. No, I do not got time like that. My time is very, very precious, and y'all is wasting it out here. We finna drop off this first order and keep that shit moving. I'm not playing. And we ain't nothing but we less than a mile away from the drop off too. That's the crazy part. So Doordash would have you sit in the drive-thru waiting on a $4 Taco Bell order when you could just be dropping off this customer's order. That's how Doordash don't care. They don't care. They're like, man, we trying to get these delivery fees and these service fees. If these people stupid enough to order Taco Bell, then guess what? We finna hold one of these other orders ransom, because that's the one with the good tip. And then we're gonna penalize the dasher if he don't take the $4 Taco Bell order. Man, this shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. Nigga ain't gonna never make it to platinum fucking around like this. I'm trying to make money and not go far away. Shit, you still gotta deal with bullshit, man. You ain't gonna make it to platinum messing around with all these shenanigans. Every which way you turn around, it's a way for them to ding you, either on acceptance rate, completion rate, or you just gonna be waiting and not making no money. Boy, that's crazy. If I don't know what it is, ain't no way. I'm about to drop this order off and keep it moving. And we at the drop off already too. This $6 plus right here. And DoorDash would have them waiting. Wow. That's absolutely, a matter of fact, I'm finna turn around too. Cause I gotta go back that way anyways. We just gonna keep this clip running all the way through. Ain't no point in even stopping it. Unassign the Taco Bell. Keep it moving. What y'all think $6 finna turn into? Man, that's the first order I unassigned in a long time too. We're starting to feel good outside now. $6.50. It went up by 50 cents. DoorDash hit 50 cents from your boy. I thought we had order number 5, but DoorDash was on some dumb stuff. So now we only got 4 orders done. Dang. First order they tried to send me. Oh, we just got $6.50 for 2 miles at McDonald's. 52 miles, Mickey D's, Mickey please. We will be taking that. Now I'm happy that I unassigned that Taco Bell order. And technically that's 3 orders in a row that we've accepted now. Ooh-wee. McDonald's is packed, boy. Look at that line. That's crazy. Look at all them cars. Wow. That's absolutely crazy. Oh man, and my order ain't ready. Oh, yes it is. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Order number 5. Keeping my wheels in drive. We going up the hill. They stay up here, right here, up this hill. Get a little exercise. Today must be like an exercise day. These orders are requiring physical endurance. $6.50, 2 miles, get this money. Oh yeah, we definitely getting our steps in today with the incline included. All right, order number 5. 5 more to go. See, I'm happy I didn't do earn by time. I'm happy. Because I've been trying to use earn by time to keep myself busy and to not decline too many offers, but 9 times out of 10, if I select earn by time, they sending me out of town. And all my trips have round trip miles on it. And that's something that I don't really like, especially when I'm using this vehicle that doesn't get as great gas mileage. It's more comfortable, absolutely. Hands down, it's more comfortable, but the gas mileage definitely suffers when I'm riding in this vehicle. $10.25 for 11.3 miles, bruh. No, I'm not taking that. $10.50, 11.3 miles. DoorDash should be trying to play you, boy. Nope, 76%. Looks like we won't be getting platinum because we're gonna go too far down in acceptance rate. DoorDash be straight scamming, boy. That's a scam. We made $13, so we had $30 total, and we've been dashing for an hour and a half. $30 for an hour and a half, and they want me to go take upside down orders going outside of my zone after the... It is so rough. It is so rough, man. I'm about to turn Spark on. I done did 5 orders, y'all. Man, they got bangers on Spark too, boy. Let me turn this mug on, cause I ain't gonna make it to do 5 more. Shit taking way too long. They tripping. And I'm getting hungry too. Delivering all this food. I ain't even ate no food myself. I'm getting hungry. They is tripping. Making me decline all these orders. They better hope Spark don't send me nothing good. Ain't no way I'm trying to make $30 every hour and a half messing around with them. Hoping I get a dang platinum status, then hope I get a catering order after that. This is crazy. What's this? $31 for 33 miles. Man, they straight making me hungry. All these stupid orders. Golly. This is why you don't dash on an empty stomach. This is why right here. Cause I'm starting to feel the ramifications right now. And I only been out here for what, 2 hours. Dash an hour and a half, but I've been out here total 2 hours. And I had some breakfast sausage, a couple pancakes, $7 for 3 miles at Home Depot. I am not picking up no ladder or no toilet seat for $7. It's not happening. Who picks up ladders for $7? Next up, we got $5.42 for 4 miles at Papa John's. And guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Got me messed up. $5.42 for 4 miles. No! I guess I ain't getting platinum, y'all, because I'm declining. I'm not playing out here, boy. I'm not finna be doing these dumb orders. We at a 75%. That means we got a couple more declines and then we gonna be out of the running to even be able to get platinum. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. I should have just did earn by time. But I didn't feel like it. I was like, man, forget all that. Damn, I just need 5 more orders, man. This is crazy. I ain't making no damn money. You made $30 today. And I just spent half of that on this damn food. Now, how hard was that? How hard was that? We got $4.50 for 1 mile. Order number 6. I'm getting tired of this, man. Let's go ahead and get this. At least it's drive-through pickup. Good God. Got me out here making $30. Driving around, wasting my gas money. I just put 25 bucks in the gas tank yesterday night. I ain't even made that back yet. Boy, Doordash got me messed up. We need 4 more orders after this, and I'm not gonna make it. Got me picking up these $4 orders, man. What's wrong with these folks? Ooh-wee, order number 6. $4 order. Oh my God. Let me hurry up and be done with this. Let me hurry up and be done with this, boy. Cause I'm about to lose my mind. Boy, this water out. I don't need that no more. Lord Jesus. Somebody help him. Somebody help him. All right, let's go make ourselves another happy Doordash customer. Another happy $4 order delivered successfully. I feel good. You know, that is one thing I will say. Doordash is very easy. You know, you pick up the order, you drop it off. Simple. You know? Yeah, we only pay the drivers $2. So what? You ain't did nothing. All you did was pick up some food, drop it off. What you want, an award? Well, guess what? You ain't getting it. Let's see what we get next. Man, let me know. Am I asking for too much? Is a few decent orders too much to ask for? I thought that was being reasonable. We ain't even hit 50 bucks yet, y'all. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, unassigned that one. 5, 6 orders, bro. We did 6 orders. Is it too much to ask to get 10 reasonable Doordash orders in a lunchtime shift? Like, it shouldn't take me from lunch to dinner to get 10 reasonable offers. I should be able to knock that out during lunchtime. Sitting up here trying to go to Plat. I ain't got a $10 order all day. Let's see. We did this one, $4.50 at Steak and Shake. That's trash. $4 is not a high paying offer. $6.50 for 2 miles. Ain't nothing to write home about, but it was okay. We knocked that one out. $4 Taco Bell add-on. I accepted it. Remorseful as hell. But I'm like, all right, at least it's helping me get my orders that I need done. The amount of orders. I have to super long. Come on now. We did the $6 plus. It only went up by 50 cents. So excited. We did the $4.50. Look, we did a $4.50 for 3 miles. At least that order was ready when we got there. Things was looking up then. Then we did this one, $12.50, 5.5 miles. That's a stack. 2 pickups, 2 drop-offs. That shit wasn't even worth it. It wasn't worth it. Took over 30 minutes.